We all know that homemade ghee is always cheaper and more delicious than the store-bought version, but with an Instant Pot, you can make it almost hands-free and within half the time. So today I'll share how to make ghee from butter in the Instant Pot with fully guided visual cues so that you can just follow it to make it easily too. Starting with unsalted butter, you can use any brand you like. I've shared the two I prefer in the description. Place the butter sticks or blocks in the inner pot and start the Instant Pot on saute mode medium. The butter will first melt, then turn milky, and you will see an almost white layer on the top. After this, soon it will start to bubble up, and eventually these bubbles will clear out. But it's at this point, once this first milky layer clears out, if you're new to this, you'd want to start watching closely, because from this point it'll only take a few minutes for the ghee to be done, as now you'll pretty soon see that the color will start to deepen as the milk solids start to separate and the bubbles will become smaller and smaller. Keep a close watch, because as soon as these bubbles cover the entire surface, it's done and you should turn off the heat. But just know that the ghee will still continue to cook for a couple minutes even after this. This is also when the milk solids will start to turn reddish and the ghee will turn a deep golden in color, which is what you want, but this is also why it's important to turn off the heat as soon as the bubbles cover the surface and not wait till the ghee gets this deep golden hue to turn off the heat, because then when it cooks further, it's possible that it gets slightly burnt, which you don't want. But that's it, that's all there is to it. Once the ghee cools down a bit, strain it into an airtight glass container, and as it cools further, it will lighten in color as it solidifies and you'll see that grainy texture. And there you have it, the easiest and fastest way to make delicious homemade ghee. Try it if you haven't already and enjoy!